If you want to check battery temperature on Samsung Galaxy A37, then unfortunately there is no built-in way that allows you to quickly check the battery temperature. There's simply no option in settings or anywhere else that would allow you to check the temperature of the battery. But what you can do instead is you can use a third-party app that allows you to check that information. So for example, if we go to the Play Store, and then we can use the search option, of course, in order to search for our app that will allow us to display the battery temperature. We can just simply type battery temperature in here. And of course, you should be able to find many different apps that, at least in theory, should allow you to check the temperature of the battery. Of course, feel free to try any of these apps that we have in here. In my case, I'm gonna actually use this app over here. Now this one, I've used it before, and it contains much information about the phone itself, about the specs and so on and so forth, but also it includes the information about the battery and also includes the temperature of that battery. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna show you how to find that information. Also, over here we need to tap on agree and start to be able to use it. But like I said, feel free to try any other app in case you do not like this one, or in case it doesn't work for you, or if you're just curious about other apps. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime, but we can wait to close them. Now, this app might also ask you to grant permission to notifications, but we can just cancel that. Now, in here, we should be able to find the small section for battery, and here we can see the temperature. So as you can see here, we have the temperature information. Also, at the top, we can go to the battery category, and then here we can see the temperature as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.